They put tea in microwaves.
We mentioned this last time, but a lot of Americans, not all, but I'd say probably the majority of Americans don't have kettles.
But you can just buy one.
They don't have a kettle. I thought that came in every house.
Well, they're like 15 quid in Tesco's.
Less.
When you lost your PE kit at school and they'd make you wear stuff out of the no.
That's happened to me before.
Smells.
That happened to you, really?
You open the door, it's like, you have to like push in, there's like wafts of just kind of, it's disgusting. The room is not fun.
This is so relatable. You get there and you're wearing like a crop top and a skirt.
When I was at school, if there was nothing in lost property, you just had to go in your pants.